Our top focus this morning is on the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Mehbooba Mufti has urged the Prime Minister to visit the state as an ambassador of peace and instill hope among the Kashmiri youth. Her comments coming after the Prime Minister in his speech yesterday urged the youth to choose tourism over terror.
मुझे मालूम है सुबह से लोग आपका इंतजार कर रहे हैं। मुझे सिर्फ आपको एक पैगाम देना है। वादे कश्मीर के टूर ऑपरेटर्स ने मुझसे कहा कि जब आप मोदी जी से मिले उनको हमारी तरफ से दावत दीजिए कि वो वादे कश्मीर आए और वहाँ की सैर करें। और पूरे मुल्क ही नहीं बल्कि पूरी दुनिया को ये संदेश दे कि जम्मू कश्मीर टूरिस्ट के लिए सबसे ज्यादा सेफ जगह है। मैं इसी के साथ फिर से आपका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ कि आप आज आए और हमारे इस चैनल का इफ्तिताह किया और जो कुछ भी आज तक आपने दिया मैं उसके लिए भी आपकी बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत।
All right, our JNK Bureau Chief Mir Farid joining me on the phone line now. Farid, give us a sense of how is this statement, this invite from Mehbooba Mufti to Prime Minister as tourism ambassador is being seen by other political players in the state. Some of them were also even protesting, staging protests yesterday when the Prime Minister was present in the state.
Well, that's right. In fact, this has to be seen in the context of the situation that has been prevalent in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Hardly has been there a passage of time where things have remained peaceful on the ground, and that, of course, has kept Mehbooba Mufti and the JNK government firefighting every single day. Yesterday, it was a very important occasion. The Prime Minister was here. He was there to inaugurate a very crucial tunnel that will connect Jammu with Srinagar, or I should say the valley, with the rest of the country. So, sensing the importance of the occasion, Mehbooba Mufti tried to prevail upon the Prime Minister to engage these youth, engage the people here, engage whoever is against or whoever has grievances, alienation, feeling alienation, so he should be engaged. At the same time, talking about tourism being the way forward, because you have to understand that the tourism sector has been hit very badly. Because the first casualty of a conflict here or any situation that arises is the tourism industry, because immediately the tourists start to cancel their reservations. The tour operators basically are left to fend for themselves. So that is something that she focused on. And in fact, the Prime Minister also talking of tourism, telling the youth to prefer tourism over terrorism. So this, of course, was a desperate plea, because Kashmir Valley right now is going through a situation where the on-ground situation is very tense. Every other day there is some incident, and the Mehbooba Mufti government understands that the centre has to play a major role in firefighting with the situation and taking some bold political initiatives to ensure that the people here are engaged. The people, especially the youth who have been out pelting stones, and that their number is increasing. So it definitely was a message keeping in view all that has been happening recently, and especially the increasing alienation of the youth. Back to you.
Right, so both the JNK Chief Minister as well as the Prime Minister tried conveying to the youth of the valley that it is about time that they have to choose between tourism or terrorism. Thanks very much, Farid, for joining us with that. In fact, in that speech yesterday, Mehbooba Mufti also thanked Prime Minister Modi for his support and the strength that he gave to state government during the unrest in the valley last year.
Modi ji, मैं ये बात कहे बगैर नहीं रह सकती कि आपकी सरकार और आपने किस तरह पिछले साल बहुत मुश्किल वक्त में मेरा और मेरी सरकार का साथ दिया। आपने किस तरह हमारे ऑनरेबल होम मिनिस्टर मोहतरम
Right, and after Mehbooba Mufti, Prime Minister also addressed the gathering there in Udhampur. He first flagged off Asia's longest tunnel. Prime Minister Modi urged in his speech to the people of Jammu and Kashmir to choose between tourism or terrorism for the development of the state. Let's take a listen.
जो आपके भाग्य को किस दिशा में ले जाएंगे। एक तरफ है टूरिज्म, दूसरी तरफ है टेररिज्म। चालीस साल हो गए, अनेक निर्दोष लोगों ने अपनी जान गंवाई, किसी का फायदा नहीं हुआ। अगर लहूलुहान हुई तो मेरी अपनी प्यारी कश्मीर घाटी हुई है। अगर कोई लाल खोया है तो मेरी कश्मीर की मां का लाल हमने खोया है। कोई हमने हिंदुस्तान का लाल खोया है। भाइयों बहनों, ये खून का खेल 40 साल के बाद भी किसी का भला नहीं कर पाया है, लेकिन इसी 40 साल